Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is 68 Dodge Dot and this is by Hotwheels from their mainline series, and this is a 2024 card and I bought it for MRP back then, which was 179. It still is 179. Okay, so with that said, let's unbox this. So I don't remember unboxing this particular casting in any other variation. So maybe let this be the first. Okay, so here is the card art. I don't know, I unboxed one Mopar set. Maybe this was in that set, I don't remember now. Okay, so out of the box, it actually looks really beautiful. I mean, see, this is a cherry red painted car with white stripes, and the cherry red is kind of glittery, like a little bit, not too much, but a little bit, and it really suits this car very well. And you can see the Dodge logo here in golden color. Same goes for the Hot Wheels logo here. So it mentioned as RAM chargers here. Okay, the hood detail looks really nice, and you have the grill details here. So it does have the headlight details, but these are engraved in, and it is not painted or anything. Usually, they don't do that for a chromed out headlight or tail light detailing. So that is the usual. So it does have tail light detailing as well, but it is not painted on, but it is still there. You can actually see that under some lightning. Okay, so it does have good interior to it. So okay, I'm happy that they didn't uh, go with full windshield. They actually left these two sides out, both driver and passenger side out. So rest of the areas they actually slightly tinted in black. That actually looks really beautiful, and it has this door handle details here, which is really nice. You can see the Goodyear logo here. Okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic, and it is fully chromed out, which I am not actually a fan of. So chassis could be in black color at least. I mean, they could have chromed out the interior like they did for that Stingray. That would have looked really nice for this one. Okay, but I mean, regardless, the casting looks really beautiful. So let's weigh this casting. 30 grams I'm expecting. Let's see. 34. Nice. Okay, so the wheels are pretty standard, so nothing to talk about there. So pretty standard mainline rims. That does roll really good. It does roll really well actually. Okay, it does roll really well. And one more thing, so the front wheel is smaller and the rear wheel is actually larger, so it has this particular stance, not exactly flat or anything. It has a front tilted stance. So but it does look really cool on muscle cars. I mean, you can see that here as well. So yeah, that looks really beautiful. Okay, let's rate this particular casting now. Okay, so even though they do have the detailing here, which is engraved, but they didn't paint on, at least they could have painted one end. So I'm just taking 0.5 just for that, but everything else is really good. So 9.5 out of 10. And if you really love muscle cars, I mean, and if you are able to get this one, it doesn't matter what paint job it has. uh, excuse. So mine has, since mine is from 2024, so I'm having this particular paint job. Yours might be in a different color, but if you have this, that's really neat. It looks really beautiful. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.